Oh snap. Okay, so that was crazy. I just made a whole video and the camera wasn't even recording. So for our show, I'm gonna do this real quick because I'm aggravated because I thought I already did the whole video. So we're doing a January challenge, launching and relaunching so many people's businesses. And part of the homework assignment for today was to make a YouTube video, public YouTube video about your favorite HBM product. I love all, I repeat, all the HBM products are incredible. I have used them all except for the products that are specifically for women and the product lines that we have for pets and the product line that we have for children. Other than that, I've used literally like 70, 80 of our products. It's crazy. Now here's the thing. My favorite product changes from day to day, but on today, my favorite product is the Nova Anti-Aging Smart Coffee. Literally the healthiest, best tasting coffee I've ever had, and I'm a coffee guru. The thing I like the most about it is it makes, I'm in my 40s, just so y'all know, but the Nova Smart Coffee, the anti-aging components of it make me feel like I'm 21 again, only with better judgment. Aha. So that's my favorite product. Check it out. Like, subscribe. Nova Anti-Aging Smart Coffee, owner from HBA. This is my video. Love y'all. God bless y'all. This is Will Sanders, and I'll see y'all at the top. Let me get back to driving, man.